Hello Skillful Squad, welcome back to Skill Ful Solutions, where we untangle the complexity of the digital world. Today we are diving into a process that holds great potential for bloggers, content creators, and website owners alike, posting affiliate links on Squarespace. Now, why is this process so great, you ask? Well, it's a fantastic way to monetize your website and earn passive income by promoting products or services you genuinely believe in. If you're ready to boost your revenue and enhance your user experience, stick around as we walk you through each step. And remember, even if you're not to affiliate marketing, you're bound to learn something new. Let's get started. Step 1. Navigate to Squarespace Commerce. To embark on this affiliate journey, let's head over to your Squarespace dashboard and navigate to the Commerce section. Step 2. Add a product and enter details. Here's where the magic begins. Add a product, whether physical or digital, fill in essential details like the product name, a compelling description, and don't forget to entice potential buyers with a buy on Amazon statement in the additional info section. And of course, paste your affiliate link. If the link looks lengthy, you can use a tool like Bitly to shorten it to make it more user-friendly. You can even borrow the product description from Amazon, but give it your personal touch to make it shine. Step 3. Upload an image. A picture is worth 1,000 words, right? Upload an image that best represents your affiliate product. Depending on your item, a captivating image can make all the difference in drawing your visitors' attention. Step 4. Set the price and quantity. Now, set the price as you see fit. Remember, transparency is key. Also, consider setting the quantity as unlimited, allowing your visitors to order without hesitation. Step 5. Save and publish your affiliate product. Once you've crafted the perfect listing, hit the Save button and then Publish. After the entire process, your affiliate-linked product will seamlessly blend into your website, ready to capture the interest of your audience. Congratulations, Skillful Squad! You've just learned how to elegantly paste affiliate links onto your Squarespace website. Whether you're venturing into affiliate marketing or simply optimizing your website, this process holds immense potential. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Skill Ful Solutions for more enlightening insights. If you have any questions or want to share affiliate success stories, drop a comment below. Until next time, keep monetizing those online opportunities.